So you just need to connect one USB Type-C cable directly from your phone to your display, and you will be able to control everything from your phone as if it was a trackpad with a keyboard. Or even better, you can connect a docking station to your phone, then connect the display to the docking station, and that way you can plug in your peripherals like keyboard, mouse and gamepads via USB and control your phone as you were on your computer, either for work or for gaming. This is the Huawei Mate X7. It is an awesome phone. We have seen some features like being able to take selfies and record videos with the main camera, which is awesome, while seeing what you are recording on the screen. We have done quite a few videos, so some links will be down below. Today we are connecting it to the Philips 5K, which is an awesome display, using a USB Type-C cable or docking station, and use it as our personal computer. Now, the easiest way is just to plug in a USB cable directly from the phone to the display. And as soon as we do it, we will have the desktop mode activated. And this will let us use our phone like a trackpad, which is super precise and responsive, very easy to use. And I can easily open and close apps, drag things around, and whenever a menu appears that requires some typing, the keyboard will automatically pop up on the phone so that I can write whatever I want. And while we are using it, the phone will also be charged through the display. So I don't need to worry about any of the battery on the phone because it will be automatically charged. But honestly, it's not my favorite way of using. I prefer to use with a docking station so that I can have much more speed in my workflow. All you need is a docking station. You just need to connect it to the Huawei Mate X7 and then connect the display to the docking station. Now, any peripheral that I want, I can connect it via USB either A or USB Type-C, and depending on the docking station, it may or may not charge the phone at the same time. And this is the only concern that you should have while deciding on the docking station, to see if it has power delivery or not. The biggest advantage here is that you can use your mouse and keyboard just like you do on a desktop computer. You will open and close apps much faster, use multiple apps at the same time. Actually, you can use multiple apps at the same time, even when using the trackpad right over here. But nonetheless, it's a lot faster using the keyboard and mouse, and we can arrange them on the screen however we like. You can work, for example, on text documents or Excel sheets, play your favorite games in full screen like Angry Birds on a display like this. The Philips 5K is just awesome with the mouse, and even if you don't like that kind of game, I believe that you will start liking. And if you want to use a gamepad, for example, for some racing games, then you can do that too as well. So besides being a computer, it can also become a gaming console where we can have a lot of fun in a way that traditionally with phones we can't. But connecting the Mate X7 to a display like this, then wow. Now, if you tap the options in the lower right corner, you will see the notifications appearing at the top. And then in the bottom right corner, you have the shortcuts for Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, mobile data, sound, taking a screenshot, recording your screen so that you can make tutorials directly on your screen, adjusting the volume or exiting the desktop mode. And if you tap the time, you get access also to your calendar. Now, you also have the option to choose audio output from the phone to the display, and this will depend if you want the audio coming from the phone or if you want the audio coming from the display or any speakers that you have. And you also have the navigation buttons to switch between apps, and you can open notes from there as well. And if you are asking, hey Robert, can I use my phone while on desktop mode? Yes, you can. You can use all the functions on your phone while you are working. You have a Excel sheet or any other app open, and then your phone rings and you can answer that call. Or let's imagine that I want to use this particular app that I just opened randomly. I can use this particular app here, make any phone call, receive messages, answer messages. So it looks like there are two devices right over here, although it's just one device controlling two different, I would say, operating systems, virtual operating systems, but not getting too technical. Don't worry, you will be able to use your phone fully as you would on any other circumstances and use the display as your computer just using one device, which is just awesome. Hopefully you've enjoyed this video, and if you did so, don't forget that usual thumbs up right over there, which is really appreciated on this side of the screen. My name is Roberto, George, and as always, I'll see you on the next one.